Let us see how to find row echelon matrix. Row echelon matrix, it means if A is matrix of order m cross n and satisfy following conditions, then this form of the matrix is known as the row echelon form. What are the conditions? The first non-zero element in each non-zero row is unitary, which is called the leading element of the row, like this element. This is known as the leading element. This is the leading element. This is the leading element. ठीक है. Second is all the non-zero row precede the zero rows if any. These like elements. These elements should be zeros. The number of zero before the leading entry in each row is less than the number of such zeros in succeeding rows. देखिए, for example, this is row echelon form, this is leading element, these are equal positional elements, or if the matrix is square matrix, so these are known as the principal diagonal. If the matrix is rectangular matrix, we can't say principal diagonal. So here we consider this like this. This is 1 position, this is next preceding element, this is next preceding element. So such form of the matrix is known as the row echelon form. Now if we determine the rank of the matrix by converting it in row echelon form is known as the row rank of the matrix, and if we determine the rank of the matrix by converting it in column echelon form is known as the column rank of the matrix. But in all way, either row echelon form or either column echelon form, in all the way the rank of matrix is same. ठीक है. Now how to find the rank of the matrix by row rank echelon form? By row echelon form, if we find the rank of the matrix by row echelon form, then that rank of the matrix is known as the row rank matrix. ठीक है. For example, let we have a matrix this. Order of this matrix is 4 by 4. So this is a square matrix of order 4. ठीक है. Now write the matrix A. Now we apply these row operations by using row 1. We make all these elements 0 by using row operations. By using this element, we make all these entries 0 by using these row operations. First operation is R2 plus twice R1, second operation is R3 plus thrice R1, and the next operation is R4 minus R1, and we find these elements becomes zeros. Now on the second, we use this element and make these elements 0 by using row operations. Now what should be the operation? If we multiply this element by 2 and subtract from this becomes 0, and if we directly subtract this element from this elements become 0. So to making these two elements 0, we operate R3 plus twice R1, R3 minus twice R2, and R4 minus R2, and we make these elements zeros. By making these elements 0, this becomes itself 0. If this not become 0, then we use this element and make this 0. ठीक है. And here this is our required this is our required row echelon form, and here we see there left two non-zero rows. This row is totally 0, this row is totally 0, only this and this. These are two non-zero rows, and hence rank of this matrix is 2. And why? We make it row echelon form and determine the rank, so this rank is also known as the row rank of the matrix. Row rank of the matrix is 2, and this is the notation of row rank of the matrix. Row prefix R of the matrix A is equal to 2. And the second way to find the rank of the matrix, another way is to converting the matrix in normal form and then determine the rank. In this method, we convert the matrix in normal form. What is normal form? Such form of the matrix where we uh, find some identity matrix of order R, where all are zeros, either row is zero, either column is zero, or row and column both are zeros, and here none column none row is zero. Such form is known as the normal form of the matrix. Now let us do an example. Now we will determine rank of this matrix by reducing it in normal form. Now this is your given matrix. First we make first equal positional element 1. Now what is the rank of the matrix A? Rank of the matrix A is 3 by 4. So what is the minimum number of between these two? Between these two, the minimum number is 3. Therefore, rank of matrix has its maximum value 3. ठीक है, rank of the matrix will not exceed by 3. Between these two minimum value is the maximum value of the rank. Now let's consider the matrix A. Now make first equal positional element. This is equal positional element, 1 1 position, this is 2 2 position, this is 3 3 position, and we make first this element unity and make these two zeros, then this make unity, these zeros, this make unity, and that will give us the, and then after we will make this one using this unity, make these two zeros, these two zeros, and by this make 0, and such form is will what we get is our required normal form. Now let us do. To make this element unity, we divide this whole row by 9. So we operate R1 divided by 9. Yani R1 into 1 by 9 means R1 is divided by 9. Now matrix A is similar to, after making the operations, we could not write this equality diminish and the similarity comes. Now by dividing this row 1, we get this. Now by using this element, make these zeros and these zeros. ठीक है. How to operate? To make this element 0, what will we do? By using this, we will multiply this row by 4 and subtracting from this to make this element 0. What will we operate? R3 plus 4 minus 4 time R1, or we can write it R3 minus 4 time R1. Anyway you can write. And after making this operation, we make this first row as it is, second row as it is. In third row, we will multiply this by 4 and subtracting from this. So 4 minus 4, this becomes 0. This element no change. 5 minus 0, 5. And 3 minus 8 by 9, 19 by 9. And this will give us the such element. 0 minus 12 by 9, what will get? Minus 12, negative 12 by 9. Now by using this element, now make these entries 0. This is already 0. To make this 0, we will multiply this by 2 by 9 and subtracting from this column, and multiply this column again by 3 by 9 and subtracting from this third column to make this element 0. Now let us operate. C3 plus C1 into minus 2 by 9, or we can write C3 minus 2 by 9 C1 to make this element 0, and after operating this operation we get this element 0. Now to make this element 0 we operate C4. This is your column for C4 minus 3 by 9 C1 to make this element 0. Let us do. After making that operation we make this element 0 using this operation. C4 plus C1 into minus 3 by 9, or we can write C4 minus 3 by 9 C1, and by using this element we make this column and this row completely 0 by using this element. ठीक है. Now we take this next element. This is already 1, so we will not make any efforts to make it unity as this is already unity. Now using this element we make this 0. To make this element 0 we will multiply 5 by time this and subtracting from this to make this 0. Now operate R3 minus 5 time R2 and we make this 0 and this entries comes. Now by using this element we make this 0 and this 0. What will we do? C3 minus 5 times C2 and C4 minus 6 times C2 to make these two entries 0, and what will we write? Operate C3 plus C2 into minus 5, or we can write this C3 minus 5 times C2 and C4 minus 6 times C2 to make these two entries 0. Now take next equal positional element this. Now to make this unity, first we make this element unity. To make this unity, what will you operate? We will multiply R by 3 by minus 9 upon 2 by 6. R3 को क्या करेंगे? माइनस 2 बाय 206 माइनस 9 अपॉन 206 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे टू मेक दिस एलिमेंट unity. Now by using this unity make this element 0. What will you operate? C4 minus 141 upon 103 times C3. Here we write C4 plus C3 into minus 141 upon 103, or we can write this C4 minus 141 upon 103 C3. Anyway you can write. Now this is our required normal form of matrix A. Here we have equal positional element is unity. So here this become I3. This matrix part is I3 and this is 0 column. So we write it I3 0 कॉलम को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए ये आपके पास 0 जो है ये इस 0 कॉलम को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है. सो हेयर दिस इज आवर रिक्वायर्ड normal form of the matrix and the order of this is 3. So the rank of this matrix is 3 and we write rank of matrix A